What's up everybody, it's Michelle here. Welcome to another featured property. We are here in Mango Green Village, AS Fortuna, Mandaue City, Cebu. Very strategic location and about to tour this lovely home right behind me. Before we start, please don't forget to click subscribe with our official YouTube channel, our Facebook page, Open Doors Realty, our Instagram at opendoors.ph for you to be updated with our new videos and property listings. So we've got a lot to see today, make sure to stick around. Now, specs of this property. This is a bi-level house with an area of 120 square meters, 5 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and the garage that can accommodate up to 4 cars. Here's another structure of the property with an area of 100 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and it's currently rented. Both nestled in a 500 square meters lot. Asking price, 18 million pesos. We call this the White House. Now let's begin. Thank you so much for staying with us up until the end of the video. If you would like your listing or property to be featured or sell with us, send us a message. Again, this is Michelle. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!